Hey everyone, welcome back. Here is a recipe for mini heart-shaped bun for Valentine's Day, and it's absolutely delightful. And I hope you all will like this video. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make mini heart-shaped bun. To make this recipe, in a large mixing bowl, add 3/4 cup of warm water, half a tablespoon of instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just mix everything well before adding flour. This is 2 cups of plain flour. Combine everything well until you form a dough. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and keep kneading it. Transfer the dough on a working surface. Knead the dough for at least 8 to 10 minutes to get a soft and fluffy buns. Knead it well until it's soft and smooth. Add a tablespoon of oil. Rub all over the bowl so that the dough doesn't stick to the bowl. And apply some oil on the dough as well. Cover the dough, keep it in a warm place for 45 minutes to 1 hour. It should double in size. Meanwhile, let's make strawberry jam. Here I've got 250 grams of strawberry. Wash and cut the stem and then chop them into small pieces. In a saucepan, add the chopped strawberries. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Give a nice mix. Let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes on a low-medium heat. Add a few drops of lemon juice. Keep stirring now and then so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Strawberry jam is done. Turn off the flame. Let it cool down completely. It's been 45 minutes and the dough has risen double in volume. Deflate the dough and just knead once again. Dust some dry flour on the working surface and roll it out thin. Using a heart-shaped cookie cutter, just cut them out. On a baking tray, keep a dough. Add some strawberry jam in the center. And cover it with another dough. Using a fork, just press and secure the edges. Likewise, I'll finish all the bun and I'll show you. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Cover this and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Before baking, apply some egg wash. I'm using melted butter. Just apply it all over. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. Mini buns are beautifully baked. It took 18 minutes for me. When the bun is hot, apply some melted butter. This will keep the bun soft and moist. These buns are so soft and delightful, and it smells so good. Do give this a try and share this recipe with your family and friends. Also, share your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section below. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video, and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.